All right, everybody, this is just a video to show we have the RYOBI 4-gallon backpack sprayer, and we also have the WORX, which everybody knows what these things are about, but a lot of people have never seen these things in action, except, I mean, maybe on some YouTube videos, but we're going to show you how they really work right out of the box. So, we'll do the RYOBI first. The way you work this is you turn the switch on, and it primes. Now basically, you just turn it all the way up high. I've tried it on all settings and just turn it on high and use it that way for spraying carpets. It pretty much primes up real quick, so move back a little. I'll just show you how fast it takes to do some area. And that's turned up all the way on high. And these things come with a fan tip, but we're not using it, we're using an adjustable tip. And here's how the tip works. You can get all the way down to a mist, like that. And the reason we use the fan tip instead of the, this tip instead of the fan tip is, if we get near, let's say we get near a wooden floor where there's some carpet, we don't want to overspray on a wooden floor, so the adjustable tip gives us more accurate ability to make sure we're spraying the way, without hitting overspraying on a floor we don't want to get wet. So anyway, so you saw how quick it primes. It primes almost instantaneous. Now here's the WORX. The WORX, you put the battery in, you push a trigger safety, and you have to prime it. So it works after a few seconds. So anyway, there you go. Now here's the different adjustments. Okay. There's another adjustment. Actually, I can't get the adjustments to work right at all. It's like it's not primed. The WORX is far more problematic than the RYOBI, to be honest with you. I mean, this is not the adjustment I have it on. I'm telling you guys the truth how these things work. See, it's all shooting out a stream. Why it's doing it, I don't know. To be honest with you, we may send the WORX back. I'm not impressed with how it does. It's not priming up quick or anything.
We actually had two WORX and one of them didn't work at all. And then this one works and then it stops and it works and then it stops. So
it's not working well now. And we're telling you guys the truth about how these things work.
Yeah.
See how that barely comes out? And it's got plenty of water. I'll be honest with you about the WORX. We're going to probably ship it back, because I'm not going to keep something that's faulty. Now, I know a lot of people seem to like these things, but I don't. And I'm not doing anything wrong. It just doesn't work.
Well, we had two of them.
Yeah, and one of them don't work at all.
One didn't work at all, and the other one, works part of the time and not the rest.
This is not something I'm going to take to a customer's house and use.
After trying them both out, that's when we decided to go ahead and try it and get the RYOBI.
One more time here. Here's the RYOBI.
You got a little leak up there. You don't have your connection tight up at your handle.
Oh.
See it's leaking?
No.
It's leaking up here.
Oh, there.
You don't have that tightened 100%. It don't look like. Yeah, that's better.
But this thing here, come up here. Oh, that works.
Now you got to be careful how you adjust these. You don't want to be spraying, when you're spraying a carpet, you don't want it bouncing up on people's TV screens or their electronics or anything else that's sensitive, hitting if you use a peroxide, you don't want it to be spraying on there.
This is the hardest you can turn it down.
Yeah.
And you see it gets stuff wet. but it's misty.
Yeah, you can adjust it for a stronger, more direct stream if you need to.
And I'll tell you what we're probably going to do. We're probably going to send the WORX back and get another one of these. And I'll tell you right now, I do not advise buying the WORX sprayers.
Well, we haven't had good luck with them so far.
You've seen us use it, and we did not do anything to make it not run properly. It just simply didn't work. And that's
pretty much how that goes.
Oh, and I'll tell you the truth. This is the flat out honest truth. I just used that the other day and it worked fine. And when I brought it out here to do a comparison video, it just won't work. I didn't do anything to rig it up.
Oh, you don't want to go. You don't want to go to a job and then have problems with your stuff because you want it to be working.
So this is, and we got. Let's check this out. The battery, fully charged. That all three green lights is a full charge. This thing, it just doesn't work. I mean, it's working right now, but it wasn't working a minute ago. And I am not going to a customer's house with some kind of thing like this and messing around where a customer thinks I look stupid because I'm here messing with some faulty product. This thing's going back to the store. Hopefully they'll look at that. And this is primed.
Yeah.
It's in 2 foot of water, so it's definitely submerged. But it's going back to the store, and I mean, it's going back soon.
Yeah, he's been fussing with it a lot the last few days, trying to get it dialed in, and it just doesn't stay tuned in.
The other one we bought like it, I thought we'd get 2 of them just to have them because I thought they were nice. This one worked real good until today. Honestly, I thought I was going to show that they were both great sprayers, but I had no idea that this was going to do this. No, I can't make this happen. It's just something messed up, and I'm in clean water and everything. There's nothing to cause this. It just does not work.
Yeah, I think this is your best bet.
This is the way to go right here.
I mean, that's just opinion, and see, we did, like we said, we took the straps off and everything.
That's an opinion based on trial and error.
Yep.
You do not want to take this to a customer's home and have what happened to us happen to you in front of a customer where they think you're stupid.
Well,
that you don't even have good products to work with.
Anyway, that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of information and get some ideas.
Informative for you.
Yeah, get some ideas on that. I'll put a link in the description for both of these. The RYOBI, you just get that at Home Depot. If you ever see these on Amazon or something like that, they're being resold,
and I'll be honest
and they're
with
marked
you,
up a lot.
We didn't do anything to make this run poorly. It did it on its. It was running good until today. I've used it about 10 different times. It's run perfect, and it just quit working.
That might be why you see so many of these for sale reconditioned, because I think a lot of them go back and get fixed.
And you don't want to buy one reconditioned. If the new ones don't work, imagine what the reconditioned ones are like.
Yeah.
So just don't buy these things.
Well, at your own risk. All right, that's all for this one. Thanks.